If the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance message is stuck on your website and your website won't come back, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you to turn this off manually and get your beautiful website back. Let's get it. Future reference, the reason this message usually appears is because you've started updating plugins and themes, but then left the update page prematurely and then it gets stuck in here. And what happens when those updates happen is WordPress creates a little file called .maintenance inside of your root directory to bring this message up. We're going to delete that file. So let's go into our hosting account. In my case, I'm using Siteground. I've been using them since 2018 with no problems. If you want to check them out, I'll drop a link in the description down below. I highly recommend them. I use them all the time. So let's go into the site tools for this specific website and then click on Site and then File Manager. Then go to public_HTML. You can do this via FTP as well, but you'll have to choose in the menus up at the top here, you have to choose View All Files or View Hidden Files because every file with a dot in front of it is a hidden file. In the File Manager in your hosting account, they just appear by default. In an FTP client, they won't. So find the file that's called .maintenance, click on it, and then trash it. That's not going to break anything. It's going to bring your site back. Then you can log in again and use your site as you normally would. So if we come back over here and refresh, our website is back. Now that your site's back online, I highly encourage you to make sure it's secure. Check out my free PDF download. I'll put the link at the top of the description down below. It's the 11-point checklist to help you secure any and all WordPress sites for yourself and for your clients. So make sure you check that out. It's free. I only ask for your email address. And I don't send emails very often. So check that out. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to help you build a custom maintenance page. Instead of that boring, we're briefly away for scheduled maintenance, you can have a super cool page that's branded to your company. So check out this video where I show you how to do that.